Magandang araw mga kaibigan. Bigyan natin ng reaction opinion itong post ni Kifi Chu. Sabi niya, even during Corona's time, marami kang tao, Risa Hontiveros, you're evil and ruthless. Grabe, mabigat. Isinare ni Kifi Chu itong post ni Senator Risa Hontiveros sa kanyang official Facebook page. Statement ni Risa Hontiveros tungkol sa pagsalita ni alias Karine, yung di umano fake witness na ginamit ni Hontiveros laban kina Pastor Kibuloy, BP Sara, and PRRD. Okay, ito. Risa Hontiveros, statement on the falsehoods being spread by a former Senate hearing witness. Kasinungalingan ang mga aligasyon ngayon mula sa nagpakilalang dating testigo sa pagdinig ng Senado ukol sa mga krimen ni Pastor Apollo Kibuloy. Sangkaterba ang ebidensya ng aking opisina na magpapatunay na gawa-gawa lang ang pahayag ngayon ng taong iyan. All witnesses presented during the Kibuloy Senate hearings freely and voluntarily offered their testimonies and the evidence they carried. Lahat ng iyan ay may paper trail and readily corroborated by multiple agencies and officials. Handa rin kami ilabas ang iba't ibang screenshot at video sa tamang panahon. We have reason to believe that this individual has been coerced or paid off to derail the ongoing criminal proceedings against Kibuloy and disturbingly threaten my staff and the witnesses who spoke out against Kibuloy's heinous crimes. Ganyan sila kadesperado. We are preparing our serious legal response against this act of harassment and intimidation. Hindi namin palalampasin ang mga nasa likod ng pananakot na ito. Okay? So, at least sumagot. Kailang itong sagot ng Senadora very general. Hindi daw totoo. Again, it's now on the court of public opinion. Magbasa tayo sa mga comments. Asiana Binasing, sino po si alias Rene Madam Chair? Meron siyang pangalan may post si Jason Sam, nakalimutan ko na. Parang something Manuel. Ronnie Algisera, Plan B, haha, evil works, karma soon effect. Okay, ito may post din si, basahin natin na yung, yan, post ni Teo Moreno. Kasi nung hindi pa sumasagot si Teo Moreno, deafening silence ang tawag ni, deafening silence. Kailan ngayon sumagot naman ito. Risa, deafening silence is very telling. So, isinite dito ni Teo Moreno 3 beses na Ito, una si former Negros Oriental Jing Paras, Representative Jing Paras, nagreklamo sa Office of the Ombudsman to investigate Risa Hontiveros for multiple serious offenses, including obstruction of justice under PD 1829, kidnapping under revised penal code, and child abuse and exploitation. Okay. So, itong allegation ni dating Congressman Paras, allegedly harboring underage witnesses and public exposing a private text. So this isn't the first time her name has surfaced in witness-related controversies. Pangalawa, in 2019, the controversial witness Bicoy, whose testimony was used to attack the Duterte family, later recanted and claimed that he was manipulated by Senator Trillanes and Senator Hontiveros. Ito, pangatlo. In 2021, a complaint filed before the Ombudsman by Jaime Vegas alleged that Hontiveros bribed VJ Almera, a witness in the Senate Blue Ribbon Committee probe of the Parmali COVID-19 supplies. So ito na, itong pinakamabigat, June 24, 2025 kapon, itong si alias Rene. Na allegedly, nabayaran siya ng 500,000 to testify, tapos dadagdagan ng 500 para i-link si Senator Bato and Senator Bongo. Additionally, he was paid 12,000 for every piece of information he gave the Senate. So, diyan na po ang labanan sa aligasyon kontra aligasyon. Magbasa tayo sa mga comments, ano? Sabi ko. So ako, pinag-aaralan ko pa rin ang statement na hindi ko kasi napanood yung mga yung mga pag-testify nitong si alias Rene noong Senate hearing. Kram Marcel Azunabamer, of course, i-deny niya, matitigok na siya kasi pag-aaminin. Maria Teresa Fernandez, ikaw ang desperada, Madam Chair. Jug National, Bicoy Parto, ha ha ha. Vami Piesa, karma will catch up with you, Honte Virus. Libertine Archenda, kolbaan na si Risa, tiwas gyud ka diha. So, ayun, Win Chavez Duterte, Kipicho, 100% agree. Booking ka na, virus. Anyway, again, this is a battle of public opinion. So, kung sino ang paniniwalaan ng taong bayan, masisira na ang dapat masirang image and credibility. May plano pa naman tumakbong presidente sa 2028. Salamat mga kaibigan sa inyong pagsubaybay sa ating channel. Nakakatulong kayo ng malaki sa tribong Talandig ng Bukidnon. Ang sweldo natin sa channel na ito is pangtulong natin sa tribo. Sa ngayon, namimigay tayo ng mga yero at pako para makapagpatayo ng mas maayos na tahanan ang tribong Talandig.